information coming in the China Hawala Gate. Agencies are now suspecting that key accused Luo Sang was gathering information about Dalai Lama and his associates. The accused also paid close to 2 to 3 lakhs to a few lamas and individuals near Manjuka Tila in Delhi. Sang was communicating through Chinese app WeChat. The IT department has tracked down a Delhi-based chartered accountant who was helping Sang in Hawala transactions to the tune of 300 crore rupees for Chinese companies that has been tracked down now. Chang's co-workers have confessed before the income tax department that they delivered the money packets to the priests in Delhi to get more information on Dalai Lama. Luo Sang, a Chinese national, was arrested on 11th of August in a raid by the income tax department for money laundering and representing fake Chinese companies in Hawala transactions. So that's the latest that is coming in right there as far as the Chinese Hawala Gate is concerned. We're still to get more details on this by our reporters who are on top of the story, getting us the exclusive updates of all that is going on. But this is the China Hawala racket we're talking about, and a revelation has come to light, and agencies are now suspecting that the man who was the key accused in this, which is Luo Sang I was just talking about, was gathering information about Dalai Lama and his associates. He also paid a couple of lakhs to a few lamas and individuals in Delhi, and he was communicating through a Chinese app as well. Kamaljeet is now joining us. Kamaljeet, I'm going to throw straight across to you to walk our viewers through the main big revelations that have come out at the moment.
Well, this is a curious case of Charlie Peng. Remember, he was arrested way back in 2018 by Delhi Police Special Cell. But at that point of time, what kind of pressure happened and why the courts let him off is another story. But clearly, it is not just the illegal Hawala racket that he was running, where thousands of crores was invested and the sort of profit that he was making. This was in cahoots with the Indian workers, which includes bank employees, chartered accountants. But now there is a tale where there is an input that he was spying on Dalai Lama, that he was in touch with several monks. This has also come to light that he had paid them 2 to 4 lakh rupees, which was in separate packets. This was delivered by 2 of the courier boys. But again, this is a modus operandi which has come to notice, and this is going to be a larger case because remember, this time the investigations is pertaining to the IT and ED probe. But when it comes to spying, this is clearly a criminal conspiracy. This is obviously we've also been told that the background of this man is that not only did he have the China link, but his father was Tibetan and he eventually went to Tibet, and that is where he developed links. Coming here with a specific purpose, this now will be a part of a larger interrogation which will be done from him by multiple agencies.
Oh, absolutely. We'll keep you updated, our viewers, with all the very latest that Kamaljeet is bringing to us. But moving on now to the other big story that is defining the news agenda.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.